Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video to show everyone how I make the cuts or engraves on items that are larger than the ½ inch that the crumb tray allows, but still is within the 2 inches. The set focus feature in the process has made it really easy to do that. All you have to do is get the top of your wood or the item you're engraving within an inch and a half to 2 inches of that base. So what I did is I made a simple box that is 0.9 inches tall, and that allows most items that are larger to fit on top of this box. And just click set focus and go. So I started out making the box. I just used MakerCase. It's a very simple website that is a basic box. Just did for width, I did something like 10 inches. For height, I do 0.9. That'll allow you to get 0.6 to 1.1 inches of item on top of the box without crossing over into the laser. And then let's do a 6-inch. So then we'll have a 10-inch by 6-inch base to sit it on. This sits just less than an inch. So let's do outside dimensions, and then you choose your material thickness if you want 1/8 inch or if you have 1/4 inch. I'm just going to do 1/8 inch. And then an open box allows you to save a piece. Then you can just make what's showing as the top here the bottom. And I do finger joints so that it has a little bit of extra rigidity. So then you just download the box plans, and it gives you the SVG with those items. Then just go into Glowforge and bring that in. And cut it. So this it's got an old setting from when I did a cutting board, but if you can see here, make sure that you turn off these items here to ignore, or else it's going to cut this right, left, and bottom in. I did that on the one that you'll see, so just ignore that. So then let's do this here, and then we are good to go. So then carve it, and we will show you what the box looks like. Okay, so the box is printed and ready to go, so it's just open on the bottom. So what you need is to make sure that the box plus your cutting board is between 1.5 and 2 inches. So just take them, stack them up, take your digital calipers, just measure that there. So 1.51 or 5.2, depending on how hard I press. So you're within the 1.5. So now I just set my box inside, set my cutting board in there, and we're ready to go back to the computer. Okay, so now we're back to the Glowforge app. You can see in the picture that my box is under there with my cutting board on top, and then I just moved this over to the side so that it's not in the way. So normally you would go up here, you would select what type or what thickness, but you don't need to do that on here. What you need to do is just come over here to the 3 dots to the right of the text feature, click More, Set Focus, and just choose right in the middle of that board and click it, and it's going to do its own focusing thing. What it's going to do is it's going to home the camera into that thickness. So all you need to do from this point is to adjust your engraving or cutting settings, whatever you want to do that for your bamboo. It's going to automatically detect that. So once this is done focusing, you see that it changed the screen just a little bit. Now you can throw it in here and choose your settings to do the engrave, and then you're good to go. That is all that is required to do an item that is larger than the 1/2 inch. If you have any questions, hit me up here on Facebook or check out my website at ohiowooddecor.com. Thank you.